Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Monday, October 5th, 2009. This morning I'd like to go through an extension that adds some text editing capabilities and makes the debugger a little more obvious as to how it's working. So let's take a look at System Parcel Manager. And extra emphasis is the package I'm talking about. We'll go to Browser Extensions, which is where this is organized now. I've already loaded this into this image, but to get this loaded you would right-click and do a load. Now I've taken this text down here and I've copied this into a workspace. And the reason for that is to show you one of the capabilities this kind of code has. So let's go up to the top of the workspace here, and we'll just do a highlight of all this, and you'll see some references up here to superscripting. Well, if I do a do it on this, it should open a window, and if I bring that window into the view, you can see x squared plus y squared plus z squared. And I can also do some other interesting little things. If I come down here, you'll see references to subscript. So if I highlight all this and do it, you'll see the same kind of little window with the 2 down at the bottom. So that's one of the things that extra emphasis allows you to do, is make some changes to text that allow things like subscripts, superscripts. You can go and look at the code and the comments for a little more on that. One other thing that it does that's interesting, let's open up a browser, and we'll go down here to some arbitrary package, pick a method, and let's put in a breakpoint. Let's get a method that's a little longer. Let's put in a breakpoint right here inside this if true block. And we'll do an insert breakpoint. And you see now, instead of the little red squiggly line, you get a stop sign. That's the other major addition that extra emphasis gives you, is it makes the breakpoints a lot more obvious to the eye, because the little red thing is hard to spot sometimes, it's easy to miss. Whereas once you load extra emphasis and you get the stop sign, very obvious as to where the breakpoint is. You can see it immediately. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.